Hello there today, viewers. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stewart Peterson, I'm Bob Davenport, and this is your Dairy Week in Review for the week of March 22nd, 2013. Let's take a look at the CME dairy components at the conclusion of Friday's trade. Looking at cash cheese, blocks settled the week at $1.70, up 9 cents. Barrels settled the week at $1.66.5, up 7.5 cents. Cash butter settled the week at $1.69.5, posting another 6.5 cent gain. March whey and March non-fat dry milk settled the week unchanged at 61 cents and $1.5325 respectively. Taking a look at Class 3 futures, it was an exciting week in Class 3 this week. April settled the week at $17.58, up 43 cents. May settled the week at $18.26, up 61 cents, and that puts the 2013 average at $18.35 with a 33-cent gain on the week. There was a lot of buying interest in the cash cheese trade this week, and the Black Barrel average was able to post a gain of 8.25 cents, easily taking out previous short-term resistance at this level. The reason for the aggressive buying interest this week was due to the fact that CME cheddar is currently trading at a significant discount to Oceania prices. We'll touch on that in just a bit. There was a lot of excitement in the milk market this week, with Class 3 futures seeing a sharp spike during Monday through Wednesday's trade, followed by daily reversals on Thursday's trade and further lower trade on Friday. The rally in the beginning of the week was sparked by news regarding the ongoing drought in New Zealand and the result of the latest Fonterra Global Dairy Auction. We'll touch on those results in just a bit, but for now let's take a look at the weekly April milk chart. As you can see this week, we easily broke out of the previous range that we have been trading in for the past month and a half. The April contract put in a high this week of $17.69 and closed at $17.58, up 43 cents on the week. We saw the most aggressive buying interest in the months of June through September, and all those months traded over the $19 level this week. The ongoing drought in New Zealand has caused poor pasture conditions and resulted in historically high slaughter rates of dairy cows, causing dairy product prices to rise. The impact of this was seen in the results of the March 19th Global Dairy Trade Auction. The total Global Dairy Trade Index jumped 14.8% this week, led higher by a 21.2% increase in whole milk powder. Of more significance to our domestic prices was a 13.7% increase in cheddar cheese. This near 14% increase put cheddar at a price of $4,315 per ton, which equates to about $1.95 per pound. At the release of these results, the CME Black Barrel average was only trading at $1.61 per pound. That's a 34-cent discount. This immediately sent Class 3 futures higher until mid-Thursday morning. The significance of the sharp move in dairy prices is yet to be seen. The question remains whether this sharp increase was a market overreaction or if dairy prices have the ability to work even higher in the long run. Given the erratic movement of prices this week, it's still too soon to label the move as one or the other. The February milk production report came out on Tuesday, and in that report, cow numbers increased by 2,000 head during February to 9.225 million. The herd is still down about 32,000 head from February of 2012, however. Milk production for February 2013 came in 3.5% below February of 2012. However, if you remember, February of last year was a leap year, so production on a per-day basis was 562.14 million pounds, which is just 270,000 pounds below last year. Weekly dairy cow slaughter came in at 66,300 head for the week ended March 9th. That's 3,100 head up from last week, but 700 head lower than the same week last year. Year-to-date slaughter is still running 4.6% ahead of last year. Looking at the week ahead, we have the USDA Prospective Plantings Report and the USDA Ending Stocks Report out on Friday. Stay tuned to next week's video for a recap of these reports. Well, that'll do it for us here today. On behalf of the Market 360 team here at Stewart Peterson, thanks for watching and have a great weekend.